YouTube, it's Erin, and I am the Handbag Housewife, and I'm back again with another video. Today's video is going to be jam-packed, full of fun and excitement, so I'm going to announce the winner of the 5,000 subscriber giveaway. Wait, no, winners! I'm going to announce the two winners of the 5,000 subscriber giveaway, and I'm going to do it by myself. I have a feeling this is going to be how it's done in the future. Sorry, hair in my mouth. I was going to have my son announce the winners with me, but he doesn't want to do that anymore. He is almost 14 years old and he doesn't want his friends to see even his body on screen next to me. So anyway, he's not going to participate in the video, but he did select the two winners. So I'm going to announce those two individuals and have you reach out to me through Instagram or through the email that I provide down in the description box. I will never reach out to you and ask you to contact me in any other way. No WhatsApp, no Telegram, nothing like that. Just Instagram or email, and it's down in the description box, my exact contact info. Nobody else can manipulate that. So then you know for sure you're getting in touch with me. The real deal, the Erin, the Handbag Housewife, whatever you want to call me, you know you can reach me those ways down in the description box. So after I tell you who the two winners are, I do have a small unboxing. It's Louis Vuitton. I can't wait to show you. I got influenced by another YouTuber, Minx for All, and I had to run out and buy this. And this is a very affordable piece, so I'll share that with you. And then I will wrap things up and show you another item that I picked up recently. So without further ado, let's talk about the winners. What I did whenever I had to re-upload my 5,000 subscriber giveaway video was I was able to capture screenshots of all my notifications for all the entries that happened prior to the video being re-uploaded. And my son picked both the winners from those entries. And because those entries were done and then the video got re-uploaded, some of them re-hearted or re-commented on the second video, but some of them didn't. And the two that he picked did not comment again on the second video, but they're both individuals who comment on a lot of my videos. So that's how I responded to them, to let them know they are the winners. I'm also letting them know that they are the winners here in this video. So the first prize winner, and this is the beautiful blue Teddy Blake bag. It does come with the dust bag as well. That's oh so soft. But the winner of the Teddy Blake bag, oh, and I should tell you the style. The winner of the Teddy Blake Stella bag is Tuber Dawn. And so, Dawn, whenever you see this video or whenever you see the comment of yours that I responded to letting you know you're the winner, yes, you are the winner, the real legitimate winner of the 5,000 subscriber giveaway. This bag, I think, still retails for $4.85, and I have never used it, and it will be headed your way as soon as you reach out to me. I'm not going to ask you to pay for anything. I'm just going to ship it to you as soon as I have your address. Now, the second prize winner is going to be receiving these three items. I have this handbag strap, and then I have this handbag strap. And these are both from Temu. One of them has that Dior Canage type look. The other one has some pretty purples and blues with silver hardware. And then finally, I think this is possibly the best part. This is from Have Deluxe, and it's a little Louis Vuitton Chanel-esque type charm. And so those are the three parts of the second prize. And the winner of these three items is Jeannie Alford. So Jeannie, you should see that I've replied to one of your comments from a previous video. And if you didn't see that and you saw this video, either way of contact from me to you works. Now I just need you to reach out to me on Instagram or by email to give me your address. Again, I'm not going to ask for money. I'm just going to ship these items to you, Jeannie, and also to you, Dawn. So reach out to me on email or Instagram that I provide down in the description box of pretty much every video that I make. Again, that's the only way I want you guys to contact me, is through the information I provide in the description box of my videos. So I know I said I would do the Louis Vuitton unboxing next, but I'm going to go ahead and show you this one other item first, and then I will get to the Louis Vuitton unboxing. So you guys know I went to Montana recently. I filmed a little shopping video. I filmed a video about grizzlies when I was in Yellowstone. I have those videos available. I can link them down in the description box. But one of the videos was filmed in Big Sky, Montana. And I picked up this really cute leather jacket there. It looks like denim, but it's actually a lamb leather. It's by a brand called Scully. Well, I got online and I searched and searched and searched trying to find good deals. And I found a really good website to buy Scully leather jackets. And so I picked up this one. This is like a bomber style jacket. And this jacket is normally, I think, over $300. And I got it for $115. Insane, I know. Well, I found a coupon code online for 15% off. And I think they had it for $130-ish. And so I got it for $115 shipped to my door. I just ordered 2 more because they're such good deals. The 2 I got in addition, they're not quite as good of a deal. I think one of them was $130 and one was $165 after a 5% coupon that I found. But this one was the best of all of them at $115. It's lamb leather. It smells delicious. I mean, not that I like to eat leather, but it smells so good and it is super soft and it feels amazing. And I would try it on for you, but I've got sweatpants on, so I'm not going to try it on today. Maybe when I get the other 2, I'll try them all on in one video. But the Western Company is where I picked up this, and then I also have the other 2 on the way, and they're on sale, and I didn't want to wait until I got the other 2 because in case you're in the market for a leather jacket, you can get an amazing deal there. Now, I will tell you that this was final sale. They had it listed 2 different ways when I bought it. They had it at a higher price where it wasn't final sale, and then they had it at this super inexpensive price and it was final sale. And since I had the other one, I knew I wore a size medium, and so I hoped that that would translate across sizes, which it did. This one runs a little smaller than the one that looks like denim, but it still fits pretty darn well, and that's the size I went ahead and ordered in the other 2 that I have coming. So now, for sure, for real, without further ado, I have this small Louis Vuitton unboxing to show you, and I've already peeked because that's what I do. I'm not a patient person, but I packaged it back up just for you so you could see how this Facebook seller sent me the item. It did not come with the dust bag because this item is part of a set that was split up and sold individually because not everybody wants every piece of the set. And you could go to Louis Vuitton if this was still available and buy the whole set and then be stuck with 2 pieces you don't want, or you could go to Facebook and find a reseller or an individual who did that and then buy the piece you want. And I think these go for around $1,000 now for the set of 3, and I paid $225 for this piece. Now, I've seen this piece on Fashion File or ones like it for up to $500, so I'm super pumped that I picked this one up for $225. So here we go. Yay! So this is the Spring in the City Kirigami pouch. I've got it upside down. So this is the smallest of the 3. You can tell by how it fits in my hand. It's not a large piece at all, but it does hold credit cards. And I did go ahead and put 5 credit cards in, and I still had room for more. The reason I picked this piece up is because Minnie with Minx for All, and I'll link her channel down below, she has one of these in the monogram, and I watched her do a bag spill little video either on Instagram or Facebook, and she showed what fit into a small bag, and she put a bunch of little items like hair ties and flosser sticks and things like that in one of these. And I thought, man, I need one of those. So I was influenced, and I just thought it was so stinking pretty. Now, the one disadvantage to the piece that I picked is that it has a cream or white colored leather interior. I do not love that because that's gonna show wear and tear, but it's on the inside. You'll notice how the Kirigami is just basically folded and then attached together with this snap on the bottom part, and then of course the top part has a snap that folds closed. So it does have glazing on the edges, as you can see, but this piece is not sewn down. It may be sewn down around the snap or under the snap, I don't know. The only stitching of it is around the edges to hold the canvas and the leather together. So my bag of the day is my beautiful Rose Poudre Saint Laurent Collège bag in the medium size that I picked up from Fashion File. And I just wanted to show you this next to it so you can appreciate the color a little bit more. I don't know if you can tell, but the part on this side is a little bit pink, and that's why I'm holding it up next to this pink bag. And then it ombres or fades into this khaki or green shade. So I haven't used this little card holder, but I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull some cards out of my key clays inside of my Collège bag and show you how many cards at least will fit into this little package. I have 10 gift cards here in my hand. I'm just gonna see if all 10 will fit. Like I said, I put 5 in the other day and it did fit. And what I discovered is that 9 cards fit into this little cutie. Now, I do think that a little bit more will fit into the key clay as far as cards go, but this opens up a little wider, so you may be able to fit slightly bigger items inside of it. Take, for example, this AirPods case. This is one of my 2 little AirPods cases, and I stuck it inside here, and we have no issue snapping it. And depending on where it's located inside, it may bulge on one side just a little bit versus the other, but there it is, parked right in the middle. And as you can see, I have no issue snapping this. So it does hold a little bit deeper of an item, and if you put that same item inside the key clay, you get this warping, and so while it fits, I wouldn't want to do that. So I think that is why this will come in handy, because it does serve a little bit of a different purpose than my Louis Vuitton key clays. It does work for cards, but I think it works better perhaps as a container for small items in my handbag that I don't want to lose. And so we'll just see. I don't know. I think it's really cute though, and it's such a fun piece to have. The colors of it are unlike anything else I have in my collection. So guys, that's it. That is my giveaway announcement, my leather jacket display, and my Louis Vuitton unboxing all wrapped into one video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring the notification bell so that you are notified of future exciting content such as this. Also, go find me on Instagram. The name there's the same. It's the @, then the Handbag Housewife, all lowercase. You can DM me there, or you can email me at thehandbaghousewife@gmail.com. If I don't hear from you, I will see you again real soon. Take care and have a fabulous day. Bye.